Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your H&M account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hm.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official H&M website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top section and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your password, click on My Account at the top section and tap on Account Settings at the left side, and now you will see your My Details section. Just scroll down and then underneath Privacy, click on Change Password. You will now be asked to enter your current password in order to change into your new one. Type in the current password that you are using to log into your account within the current password box, and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password section. After entering this new password once again for confirmation, click on the Change Password button, and now your password on your H&M account will be changed right away. And from this point on, you will be able to use your newly set up password along with your original email address to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your H&M account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.